Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn the comparison between the three types of resistances, that is thermal resistance, electrical resistance, and fluid resistance. Now let's start. So first of all, we should understand what is a resistance. So what is meant by resistance? Resist means to oppose. The force which opposes the flow. Okay. If it opposes the flow of electrons, it is called electrical resistance. Okay. If it opposes the flow of heat, it is called thermal resistance. If it opposes the flow of fluid, it is called fluid resistance. So we have three types of resistances. Let's discuss one by one. To understand, let me start with electrical resistance. So we all know that if you take a resistor, when I maintain a potential difference V volts between these two, R is the resistance, then I current will flow. If there is no potential difference, no flow of current. So from this we understand that V is equal to IR. So this electrical resistance is equal to V by I, which is nothing but potential difference by the rate of flow of charge. Now let's see the same logic. Let's apply for a thermal conductor. Suppose you take a conductor. This end of the conductor maintained θ1, θ2, L is the length. And suppose if I take θ1 greater than θ2, then heat starts flowing through the conductor. And we all know that the amount of heat flowing through the conductor is given by Ka T d theta by L is the length of the conductor. Now let me bring this side. Q by T is equal to Ka d theta by L. So R L by Q by T. What I'll do is I'll d theta by L take L by Ka is equal to d theta by Q by T. Remember, here when there is a temperature difference, then only energy will flow, right? So this sometimes we write d theta by H. Now you just compare with this equation. So that means temperature difference. There is a temperature difference by the rate of flow of what called as energy. So we can say Q by T. So we just, therefore, what is thermal resistance in the place of this? We have R is equal to L by Ka. Now let's compare the third one, that is the fluid resistance. I'll go with the third one. What is a fluid resistance? So if you look at a pipe, any tube or something, and here we maintain the pressure difference. Suppose if this is P1 and if it is P2, so I can say that if P1 greater than P2, the liquid starts flowing to the tube. Okay. Now from the Poisson's equation, we know that the rate of volume flow of liquid is pi p r power 4 by 8 eta L. So from this P by V is equal to 8 eta L by pi P R power 4. So that means here what is P? Pressure difference. V is nothing but actually volume of liquid flowing per second. So this we take it as a resistance. So therefore what is fluid resistance? 8 eta L by pi P R power 4. So if you look at the summary, okay, in all the three cases I said, if you look at this, R is resistance, electrical resistance is equal to potential difference by current, and this temperature difference. So we can say that R is equal to electrical resistance with potential difference by current, and thermal resistance I said R is equal to temperature difference by heat current. And here what is R? R is nothing but the pressure difference by a rate of volume flow. That means volume of liquid flowing per second. So all of them. So when there is a potential difference, the current flows. When there is a temperature difference, heat flows. When there is a pressure difference, fluid will flow through this. So here this resistance will oppose the flow of current. Here it opposes the flow of heat energy. This opposes the flow of a fluid in the through a pipe. So if you look at these three expressions for thermal resistance and the comparison between electrical fluid and all these resistances. Thank you. Thanks for listening.